Hi friends, I was working on Nifty to see the monthly, expiry. Something really cooked up, so I just want to share with you all. And this was the update. Actually, this prediction, I put in the month of January, and market is expecting that, trend line. So I just want to show you from here on, where the market is going to head. And based on, I've already written many times that, based on the decade, workings, the first year of the decade must be end in red. It means it will close below January 1st low. That is what the decade, working shows me. But the technical chart saying something else. So we will also, look out for the possibilities or opportunities. What chart is also saying. And 2 days back, I had a discussion with my Astro Guru. They asked, even though there are a lot of negative news about Corona, and then the way in which it is going every day. The things are getting worse, and then most probably we'll be seeing roughly around 5 lakh to 7 lakh people per day. Then he answered me in a very simple manner, saying that markets are like vulture. It lives on opportunities, and it is not concerned with pains. So it always looks for the opportunity, and that is what happened on March 23rd 2020. That when everybody was expecting a more fall because of the lockdown, and 24th market bottomed out, and from there it moved up substantially, which nobody else even guessed it. And last 2 months was very painful for the traders, because a lot of ups and downs in the market. So traders were really worried about the market. And in case if last 2 months is going to be like this, was like this, then the third month will be a trending month. So that is what it says. So now I'll go to the chart, and then we will see what is there for Nifty. Okay, so this is on a monthly basis. So if you see last month, it is indecisiveness on the higher side. And this month, it came all the way down to 14151, and 3 days it recouped all the losses, and then today it came and touched 15,000. So whenever there is a fall, it is taking the opportunity, and then it's moving up. And 4 days before, there are a lot of negative news about Corona, but market took the opportunity, and then it moved up very well. And then today it went and clocked 15,000, and then it closed exactly very near to our number, which is 14,879. Yeah, 14,894 was the closing. Okay, so now on the chart, uh, one second. See, this is a trend line which I've drawn from here. This was the low on March 20th, 23rd March 2020. And from there, it respected this line. And then again, it came and respected this line. If you draw a trend line, okay. So it has respected this trend line. Based on the angle also, it is saying the same thing. I've put the video also today for a few of my very close friends. And from here, it moved up. And if you draw a trend line from here, from this eye to this eye, there is one resistance at 15129. Okay, if it breaks that resistance and moves close above that number, there is a high possibility that it may, in the coming months, it may go and touch 17,000 level. And this is what it is showing. The level here is 17,000 level. So normally, whenever it takes the bottom, it go and touches this, level. So 17,000, and as of now, we are at 15,000. And if you take, the very important dates, these are 5th April. The high was 14,849. Was the high, and then low was 14,459. This is on April 5th. and the recent date was 19th April. The high was 14,382 and the low was 14,191. And one more, which has happened, I said very clearly on 27th will be the major trend change date, and this is what the trend change date, which has happened on 27th April. And the 27th April high was 14,667 and the low was 14,884. So in case if this 19th April low is held, okay, even 16th also is a very big date, but anyway, 19th low is held, which is 14,191. I think this guy is going to head much higher, but what we need to see is whether it is respecting this trend line, this black color trend line, and coming down, touching here, going up, touching here, and whether it's going to break out like that, or if it breaks 191, this low, or it is going to go forward, downward, we need to see. But as of now, in case if it respects this trend line, the high possibility is 17,000 in Nifty. Okay, in the coming month. And if you see the next very important date, which is coming in Nifty, is 12th May is a very important date. 12th May is, I think, Eid. I don't know whether it's going to be a holiday or not. 12th May is a very important date. In case if 12th May is holiday, then we need to take 13th May. And the next important day, which is coming on May month, is 24th May. And there is one more date also is there on 26th May. So we can take three important dates in May, which is 12th May. In case 12th May is holiday, then 13th May. And the next date is 24th May, and 26th May also is there. Let's see how it works. So we need to see whether it is touching that 15129 coming down, or it's going to over within this lackluster for this month, or it is going to break out this way, or it is going to break out this way. So the conclusion is, if it holds 14,191, the high possibility we are going towards 17,000. That's what the chart says. Decade says something else. Let's watch how the market is going to surprise us. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. And to be again I'm few videos I missed out that I'm again telling I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. Kindly check with your financial advisor before investing in stock market. Thanks a lot. Bye.